Simran and welcome back to Food Utopia. Today we will be making a warm mocha drink. This tastes really amazing, especially in this cold weather. The blend of the two flavors of chocolate and coffee tastes really good as well. So without further ado, let's get cooking. To make this drink, we will need 50 grams of milk chocolate, 30 grams of cold water, half a tablespoon of instant coffee powder, 1/4 tablespoon of granulated sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of hot water, and 3 tablespoons of milk. We will start by adding the milk chocolate to the cold water. You will melt these in the microwave for 30 minutes. We are adding this cold water because we want the chocolate to be smooth and have no lumps. You will melt these in the microwave for 30 seconds. If your chocolate doesn't melt within 30 seconds, you can microwave it for around 10 more seconds. We'll set the chocolate aside and you will take another glass. To the glass, we will add in the coffee powder, the sugar. We will mix this for around 3 minutes. We'll add in the rest of the water and mix these together. You can take some of the chocolate mixture out and you can save it for the decoration. Then to the remaining chocolate mixture, we will add in the instant coffee powder mixture that we just made. And we will mix these well together. You will add in half of the milk and we will save the rest for the decoration. You will then mix these together. You will microwave this for around 25 seconds. You will then take a mug and you will pour in the mocha mixture. You will take the remaining milk and you can use a frother to make it foamy. On top of the mocha drink, we will add on some of the foamed milk. And on top of that foam, you will pour on some of the remaining melted chocolate. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Tell me how you liked it in the comments below. If you would like the full recipe, it will be down in the description box. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell icon to get updates on all of my new videos. Make sure to follow my Instagram account. See you in the next video.